Best Collapsible Coffee Cup Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular collapsible cups in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this collapsible travel cup so popular, and also show you a quick demo clip of how easy it is to use this collapsible cup. The one that made our list is the DARUNAXY Collapsible Travel Cup. Its full height is at 6.29 inches and it can go down to 2.16 inches when it's collapsed fully. There's a specially designed anti-scalding ring built into the cup so that you'll never get scalded. This collapsible cup is made of food-grade Bpa-Free silicone. It is easy to clean, non-toxic, odorless, durable and reusable. It also comes with a D-shaped hiking hook at the side so that you can easily attach it to belts and bags. For more details of the DARUNAXY Collapsible Travel Cup and its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestcollapsiblecup. Here's a quick video demo of this cup in action. So there you have it, the DARUNAXY Collapsible Travel Cup. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the materials used, and its functionality and portability, we feel that this collapsible travel cup is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the DARUNAXY Collapsible Travel Cup and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/bestcollapsiblecup. Alright, thank you for watching.